very interactive thing I learned was once they have this little ball throwing out it to the audience instead at the mic. That was quite a nice thing.
So I wonder how much technology do you know? Or do you know nothing about technology? Or do you learn as you go ahead?
I would say that I learn a little bit, and I have a wide knowledge, like an overall view. So I do not dig like deep into the technology. So it's all about having the right network around you, so you can always know that, I mean, if I'm thinking of doing inflatable technology, I know I should call Per and ask him. So it's always to have the network around you. So and then we work a lot with concepts. And then it's only the creativity that is behind you and the solution.
Do you have an idea of what technology is available, or can you just invent something that...
That's quite fun as you ask this. I say that all technology that we could ever dream of or want to is already here. So it's more challenging the mind and do the creative solutions. And I also have people in my network that say, like, the Italians are fantastic. Like, for example, they say to me, Cecilia, tell me what material you want and we make it for you. So it's these people you need to have around you, and then everything is possible. And that's the mentality, of course, I have been learning from the NASA people, which I'm trying to spread to the Swedish people. Sometimes I talk about Swedes like, you know, those Swedes. So, I mean, we need to believe in ourselves and be stronger. I recently started also to give speaks for small kids, like 8-year-olds. So I'm trying to start a program calling that Space Kids, because they are so exaggerated for space. And so this is something. And we're also involved in one other project called the Christer Fuglesang Space Center, which we are working. I'm in the board of that. And we're now trying to establish this center in Stockholm. It should be like everything from science center to apartments to, yeah, everything. So.
En till fråga. Oj, det var högre ljud där. En till fråga kan vi ta.
Det var någon där tidigare, eller vad? Ja.
Okay, so how does the learning process work during the travels?
During what?
When you decided to have this train.
Yeah. I mean, that was really exciting. So some things actually happens when you get people together, and one important thing is that it should be mixed teams. So this was everything from business students to engineers to designers, architects. So that's one very important thing, the mixed team. And then something happens, I don't really know. We have only been doing this once in China, and then we were doing this last year here in Sweden, where Ebba Kierkegaard was involved in that, where we did stops all over Sweden and doing innovation workshops. So it's something happening with the creativity. So that is something we would like to explore more and create new projects. We have one project now which will include these training activities, and that is with United Nations, the World Tourism Organization in Madrid. So they are really eager to explore what happens if we could do more this training in different countries and do that also in the development countries.
Thank you.
Okej.
Ja?
Jag sa lite fel förut. Fikapausen är 14:45 och inte 14:15, utan 14:15 kommer Karin att prata från Spaceport Sweden.
Yeah. Okay, so thank you all, and I hope you really would like to join and do some exciting things for the Space World Competition, or challenge as we like to say. It's quite short deadlines, but I guess you are used to that. I mean, it's a hectic world and you have to be quick to perform. So, but we will be around in the coffee break and happy to discuss things and so with you. Okay, thanks a lot. Thank you.